Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of updating the firmware on your Linksys Extender. Firmware updates are essential for improving performance, fixing bugs, and ensuring your device is secure. Let's get started. Ensure that your Linksys Extender is properly plugged into a power outlet and securely connected to your Wi-Fi network. This step is essential for a successful firmware update process. Open your web browser and enter the default IP address for your Linksys Extender in the address bar. This is typically http://extender.linksys.com or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Administration tab or Firmware Upgrade section, depending on your extender model. Here, you can check for available firmware updates. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to the Linksys support website. Use the search function to find your specific extender model. Locate the latest firmware version available, then download the firmware file directly to your computer. Go back to the Firmware Upgrade section in your extender settings. Click on Choose File or Browse, then locate and select the firmware file you recently downloaded to your computer. Once the file is selected, click Start Upgrade or Update to initiate the process. Do not interrupt the upgrade, as it will take several minutes to complete and your extender will reboot automatically. After the update is complete, your extender will automatically reboot. During this period, ensure you do not turn off or unplug the extender to avoid any potential issues or interruptions in the process. After the extender reboots, log back into its settings to confirm the firmware update. Navigate to the Status or Device Info section to verify the new firmware version is installed, ensuring the update was successful and your extender is up to date. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, our professional experts are ready to help. Contact them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And that's it. You've successfully updated the firmware on your Linksys Extender. Regularly checking for firmware updates ensures your device runs smoothly and securely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.